Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to quickly remove the background. First thing we want to do is duplicate our layer, Command J or Control J, and then we want to hide our background layer by clicking the little eye symbol. And then we go into quick mask mode. We want to then select our brush and move our opacity to 100% and make sure our hardness is at 100%. Next we just paint over the subject and excuse the cursor here, you can't exactly see the cursor. There's the circle to show you where I'm clicking, but it doesn't show the size of my brush, so I'll be adjusting the size of my brush throughout this video. I also like to start in the corners and then fill in between the corners as I go throughout the subject. I'm not being too careful here. I'm going outside the edge a little bit so I can show you how to clean up the edges when I'm done with this section. Making my brush a little bit smaller for the edges and these smaller pieces that stick out here, and we're just about done. Okay, so now I exit quick mask mode by clicking there, and then I just hit delete. It removes the background, and now I need to use the lasso to clean up some of the jagged edges. So I'm using the polygonal lasso. Click once to start my point and then click again for a straight line. I follow the edge of the little piece sticking out at the left and then hit delete and it removes that. And then Command D on a Mac or Control D on a PC to deselect, and then I just start over in another spot that I want to clean up. Now here, a little bit different. I have subtract from selection up at the top, so that doesn't create another shape, the selection, to clean up that area. So I need to go to add to selection, and then I can keep working there and have two different selections. Then hit delete, Control D or Command D, and then keep going to the next spot. Just about done here. Zoom out, make sure everything looks good. You can zoom in to just do any other checks too. Now I need to resize my image. Uncheck resample, and then change your resolution to 300 pixels per inch. Hit OK, and then go to save as, and we need to save it as a JPEG. You can name it whatever you want, and then hit save. Notice the white background because I'm saving it as a JPEG. We always need quality at 12 at the highest here. And make sure it's 12 and then hit OK and you're good. Thanks.